are came back to solve the lead code problem. After a long day, I'm going to shoot this video. So we just started from basic to advanced lead code problem. So today is the fourth one lead code problem that I tell you. So this one is the problem number 27. We have to remove the element from the array. What the topic is, remove element. So let's see what the questions asks. To make a code for that, we can do the coding part also. So let's see by the given questions. I'm going to read the question. After that, I'm explaining what they want exactly. So let's see the problem first. So given an integer array numbers and an integer value, remove all the occurrence of value in the number in place. The order of the element may be changed. Return the number of element in the numbers which are not equals to the value. So basically what the question says, like we have given an array of numbers and given an integer value. That value we have to remove from the array of numbers like here. And what are the element that are changed, like those element array of element we have to remove from the arrays that are like values. Those values that are matched to the array we have to remove from the array of numbers and return the numbers which are not equals to the value. That's it. So let's consider the number of element in numbers which are not equals to value to be k. To get accepted, you need to follow these things. So we have to follow some criteria to do or approach this problem in the best and efficient manner. Like what are they say, like change the array number such as from the first key element of numbers contains the element which are not equals to the value. Like what are the values are matched, we have to remove from the set of numbers, and that new element we can give it to the key element of array which are mm, the like new numbers that are that values are not present in key, and at the end we have to return key. Like what are the values that are not matched to the val, we have to return key element. Based on that we have to return key element. What are the key elements? Like if suppose we have number, let's see the example here. So we have input numbers, array of numbers are 3223, like 3223 here you can see, and the given values are like value of the number are 3. If the 3 is present in the set of array of number, we have to remove from there that. So the output is 2. Why it is 2? So we can see here generally like 3 are present 2 times, 2 are present 2 times. We have to remove the 3 from the input array. So what are the element array of element are left, like 2 2, and we are already removed 3 3 because they are matched to the val, means value. So the expected output that is returned by k is 2 only, because the first two array bringing 2 that is not matched by the value, and beyond that 3 3 are matched. So we have to remove this with underscore, and there is no need to show the underscore values. So there are how many numbers that are not matched to the input is 2. So here we have some, you can see, you can read here, like custom and judge how we can solve this problem. Or in the basic basically we are see here how we can do this coding part with this approach. Like suppose we have already given array of numbers and value. that we have to remove from the array, and there were some expected number that are matched, so we have to remove or sort from the numbers, and we have to in do input values of k, where we are removing the k elements. So here we go, the next example we can see, yes, in the similar way, like we have array of elements are 0 1 2 2 3 0 3 0 4 2. These are the array of element. Sorry. So from here we have to remove the val element is given to, so we have to do basically removing the 2 from the array of numbers that we have, array of numbers, from removing the array of numbers to the matched value 2. Whenever we get 2 from the given array, we have to remove that. So how we can do that is, like, see, I'm making one note for that. So we can see here, for removing that val element, in this we can do this approach, like we need all the occurrence of values in the array, like whatever the values that are occurred in the array, we have to replace it, and we can use to solve this problem by the using of two pointer of array. Like, what are the steps we can take here, like we are initializing I, that is scan every element, and number 2 key position, to put the next element we can put the key position, means we are pointing to the next array of element. If the array of element is equals to the first element, we can just what we can do, we can just script it, and if it is not matched, we can just keep it in k. So basically we are initializing k as a 0, the index where we will write the next or non-value val element, means where the values element are not matched, we can just push it to k, and through the loop of the array, if number of I equals not equals to value, put it at number of k, means array of k, and do k plus plus, means move to the next element. If the next element is not matched with val, we can just put it in the k k array. After the loop, k will be the number of element which are not equals to the value. So similarly, if we are doing that, like whatever the values that are not matched, which are directly pushed into the k array of element, and at the end we have to return k. So the coding part I am going to show you in the LeetCode only, and I explain you there how we can do that. So here basically we have to initialize first of all k, int k equals to 0. Why we are taking k, like it will store I and index to place the next non value element. Okay, and we are iterating the for loop, int I equals to 0. I will fill as the numbers of length, number dot l, number of length, and I plus plus if numbers of I is not equals to the val, like whatever the values which are not matched, we can just do the thing is number of k, just pushing that element to the k array of element equals to numbers of I, what are the values are not matched with the value element. So if here we push the, yes, we can zoom, no, so here we are basically push the array of I element to the k array. Okay, and here what are the condition we are taking? Sure, double p, suppose the number of I element is not matched, then we post it into the k, post it into the k array. Okay, it is fine, yeah. So the next what we have to do, like what are the element we have did, just skip to the next, like k plus plus, and then just return the k element. Okay, that's it. Means what are the values that are not matched in the array of element we have to return that. Okay, so numbers of element not equals to the val, that we have to do here basically. Then let's see, is it okay? Just run it and check whether, oh yeah, here we can see we are not initializing the I. Yeah, we got it. Whatever the array of values are matched to the array, we have to remove that, and we have to print the expected output as 2 2 like here we have the numbers given, value are given like 3, we have to remove from the array. What are the expected output are 2 2 and 2 2, means these 2 values are not matched to the value, we have to return that one only. Here we can see also the second test case, the value 2 we have to remove from the array, we have to print the rest of the element here. So expected output is 01403. I am printing in the, like, in the way of the array, like to the next, like 0 1, remove 2 2, then what are the next 3 0 4, that's what I am writing here or getting. So just submit it and check whether it is 100% correct or not. So yeah, here we can see we beats 100%. So thank you for this session. If you are not understand, just text me what are the part and what is the condition you are not understand. So just tag down. So thank you for watching this video, and again I'm going to make the video on this LeetCode problem. We can see the further problem, what are the problem basically we have to solve in the LeetCode. So we are basically start from basic. So this one is also the basic problem. If I get any other like medium or hard level problem, I just solve you for I just solve for you and tell you how we can do that problem. So thank you once again to watch this video.